Hi.
No.
Hello.
What? Why are you looking at me that way?
Nothing, bro. 2025, innit, man? Each to your own blood. No hatred, no hate. But I don't swing this way.
Oh my god. I already know where this is gonna go. Don't show me please.
No, I ain't doing that weird ass shit. I'm doing my hair.
Don't show me your
I'm doing my hair.
No, stop. Don't take it out right now.
What, bro?
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Oh.
What up,
Josh, you're scaring me.
Why are you so fucking zesty for?
What do you mean?
Like, you're so fucking zesty. Don't touch me.
That's nasty. Don't.